what made you switch from FMCG to, say, WeWork or a table space? Because that's unlike any marketer, right? So, what did you
Yeah.
have to learn and unlearn and relearn when you did this transition?
You have no idea how many people have asked me this, Swami, saying from ek to one, you move from FMCG, which is every marketeer's dream, to real estate, which not a lot of marketeers go to. And that too from Unilever, which is like this large mothership, to a company like WeWork at a time when there was COVID, when people thought Flex is gonna die. I I don't know. It's like I said, I'm running my own playbook. I go on gut a lot as a marketer. So while data is really important, when I decided to move from Unilever, the reason was around wanting to do different things, adding more to the layer of my playbook, saying I know FMCG really well, I know B2C really well. I've done global, and I think I know certain aspects of marketing really well. I was very interested in a pure play P&L ownership role. I was very keen on that. And I wanted to add more layers beyond digital marketing and the four P's of marketing. And when WeWork came as an opportunity, it just opened up all of these layers, which suddenly looked extremely exciting to me, saying, here is what I get to build. At Unilever, I was working on brands that have been carefully built and nurtured by several marketeers before me. With WeWork, I had a chance to, plant my own little plant and then see it grow and hand it over to the next marketeer, which does not come a lot of times. And I think I was ready for that. The GSK role also sort of helped me take that decision, because after that everything seemed small. It was such a large role, it had so much freedom, it had so much decision making power, that I think whatever Unilever would have given me next wouldn't have satiated my appetite for risk. So therefore I think I took the plunge. It was a big risk, but I think one of the best decisions I've taken in my life from a career point of view, because I love the space right now. I think I'm loving the fact that I'm building, and I've realized that this is the area that I enjoy most. So I'm great at nourishing and maintaining brands, but what I love phenomenally is building, and this is a space that I think I'll continue to be in for a while.